Hey, quick one. Got these lights off of Amazon for like less than $30. It's for the vanities. I love doing my hair, but have trouble with my lighting. I always have to get a lamp or something. So this right here solved the problem. Come with some quick stickers. You put it on the back of the lights and apply it to where you want to put them. Directions, very quick and simple. I had already applied it, so this was my outcome. Love it. Very simple. The lights turn. The colors however you like. Yes, it is wonderful. Quick on and off button. Quick corks, reaches however far you like. You can't go wrong. It was quick, $30 quick. Do it yourself. Worth every penny.